Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. For a life well lived and every expectation fulfilled, you'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automatic parking assist, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. Cadillac, second to none. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.